everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and today we have brought you a tutorial video regarding how you can deactivate your Instagram account, how you can take a little break from your Instagram life, from your social life. And yes, we have brought you a tutorial video, and before we start with our video, please do like our video and do share and do subscribe to our channel. And as usual, please do not forget to click that bell button so you can get the future updates for our uploads. So simply just go to your Instagram account, and then all you have to do is click this profile icon below, click it, and this three-line menu above, click the three-line menu. You will go to settings, and all the way down you'll go to help, and then we'll go to help center. So these are the options. Again, you will go with this three-lined menu icon. Click the icon, then you can just go to your manager account option, click the option. Now we have an option called delete your account. Do not be scared, just click the option, and then we will go to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Click the option, and then you will go all the way down, and there are what you have to do to deactivate are mentioned. Apparently you have to open your account in the browser. Once your profile is open, just go again, click this profile icon and this option called edit profile. Click this, and now you will just forget about the details, go all the way down, and then you will have option called temporarily deactivate my account. Since I don't want to deactivate my account, I won't be clicking it, but once you click and submit this, your account will be temporarily deactivated, and you can take a little break of that you have wanted. And I hope this video have helped you so far. Please do make sure to leave comments below so we can get you tutorial videos according to your need. Thank you so much. Bye bye.